Hi, this is Michael Kanellos with Greentech Media, and this week I'm in San Jose at West Coast Green, the largest green home construction trade show in the country. You have green homes here, green drywall, lights, and things like that. 40% of the power in the United States is actually consumed inside of buildings. A lot of this equipment has not been improved in 20 or 30 years. Let's go check it out.
We'll be delivering products with R values ranging from 5 to 11 versus typical R2 to 3 for the best quality windows that you typically find from an Andersen, Pella, Milgard, and others.
So here it is. Looks like a window.
It looks like a beautiful window that you'd be happy to install in your house. We have commercial windows and glass units available as well. This particular example happens to be an R9 window, and that means big energy savings. When people buy these, it pays back for itself very, very quickly.
We're home performance retrofitters. We work with existing homeowners to look at their home, figure out how they can make it more efficient. So we're not just an auditor, we're actually a whole home performance company, and we have our own crews that actually do the work and understand building performance and can make a home more efficient by doing it in the way that it makes sense for the whole home as a system.
How inefficient are most homes?
Well, there's a lot of statistics out there. Duct work on average leaks 30%. We use blower doors, which test for air leakage. We use duct test equipment, which tests for duct leakage. We use infrared cameras, which look for heat loss, so you can actually see. It tells you a lot about heat loss, conductive loss, as well as air leakage. We use humidity measurements. We do temperature measurements because we want to figure out where the moisture and where the air is going in the home, because your house works like a system. It's breathing all the time, and you don't want it to breathe the wrong way.
A bidet kit here?
Yes, it's right here.
Okay.
See, I'll show you. Like when you...
You're not going to... Okay, it'll be
well...
a clinical demo, right, okay.
Right. See, there you see, when you don't need it, it's underneath like this.
Right, okay.
So somebody would be sitting here, and then when you're ready to wash, instead of toilet paper,
right,
you just take a little shower, see?
Yes. How very French of you. There we go.
Well, this is actually South American.
What do most people prefer, hot or cold?
That's even, Steven. 50-50.
Yeah, interesting. Cool.
Yes, very interesting. When we originally started importing these, we thought only people would only buy hot and cold. And then we started getting calls saying, well, don't you have the cold water model? So we import both.
Now, Akeena sells panels, but they also, you're known mostly for the frame.
Yes. So we're an integrator, but we're also a designer of product. We have a product called Ondulé. And Ondulé is an integrated solar panel solution that integrates the wiring, the framing, the racking, and the grounding all into a single unit that essentially eliminates the field installation components by delivering a factory-controlled solution right to the rooftop.
So you just take it out,
plug and play. And overall, the performance is better because the reliability factor ensures that that system is up 100% of the time for its useful life, approximately 30 years.
Now, what's Forever Lawn?
Forever Lawn is a synthetic turf. We basically go throughout the state of California and replace water sucking grass to synthetic turf, where you don't have to water, weed, mow, edge.
Now, what's it made out of? We got it right here. What's it like?
Well, we both have polyethylene and polypropylene grass.
Okay. Like old water bottles mostly, or?
Well, it's going to be old water bottles or like old, you can tell the difference in the plastics if you use an oil can or a milk carton. They're going to be different.
Now, why metal roofing?
Well, first comes to mind is why not?
Okay, all right.
Well, I mean, typically there's two issues on the table. One's appearance, one's performance. Okay, metal's probably the only solution to give you both. But we seem to find metal has got the lowest rate of return.
Lasts a long time.
Exactly. Maintenance-free, earthquake-friendly, lightweight. From a green standpoint, it's recycled today prior to coming to your home. In about 50, 70 years, you can recycle it again on your home by doing some sort of cleaning, pressure washing, and recoating it right on the home. Because the only thing is going to be appearance at that point. The level of performance will still be there.
We are the master importers for Chroma in Western North America. So
is it a Canadian company?
No,
okay.
Australian.
Okay.
So everything that Chroma does is dual flush. So half a flush and a full flush. On the half, it is a 0.8. On the full, it is now 1.28.
Wow, okay.
So on average, you're using at a 0.9, which still, even the mandated toilets right now have a 1.6, you're saving 30% of that water. So you'll flush the toilet, it takes out the waste, but instead of filling up your tank again with clean water right away, it reroutes it to the faucet, which then comes out clean, wash your hands, and that water then gets taken to the tank. Which
Wait, so the clean water comes out of the faucet,
Yeah.
and then you wash your hands, and it takes the gray water to...
Yep, to your toilet.
Wow.